fix Facebook money isn't available on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when you open settings you will just go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and search for Facebook. You will open Facebook and you will go to storage, then you will go to clear data, then click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.